In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an animation map in Tableau. If you're looking to bring your data to life and make it more visually engaging, using animation maps can be a fantastic way to do it. They can help illustrate changes over time or highlight trends and patterns in your data. So let's dive right in and see how you can create one. First, ensure you have your map already created in Tableau. If you haven't set up your map yet, you might want to check out other resources to guide you through that process. Once your map is ready, you'll need to make sure it's selected. You can do this by simply clicking on the map within your Tableau dashboard. It's important to ensure that the map is active because that's where we'll be applying our animation features. Now, with your map selected, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll want to locate and click on the Format option. This menu is where you'll find various tools to adjust and enhance your visualizations, including our focus for today, animations. Once you've clicked on Format, a drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several options. From here, you'll want to select Animation. This option is specifically designed to help you add dynamic elements to your visualizations, making your data storytelling more compelling. After selecting Animation, you'll see a panel that allows you to adjust various animation settings. The first and most crucial step here is to turn on the animation feature. You'll typically find a toggle switch or checkbox labeled Animation within this panel. Go ahead and switch it on. With animations now enabled, you can further customize how your map will animate. Although we won't delve into every setting today, you might want to experiment with these options later to tailor the animation to your specific needs. For example, you can adjust the duration of the animation to make it faster or slower depending on the story you're trying to convey. You can also choose different styles like sequential or simultaneous, which dictate how the elements within your map will animate in relation to each other. Remember, using animations wisely can significantly enhance the viewer's understanding of the data. It can help emphasize transitions or shifts in the data over time, making complex data sets much easier to comprehend. However, it's equally important to ensure that the animation is not overwhelming or distracting. A good balance will make your data visualization both informative and engaging. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created an animation map in Tableau. By incorporating this feature, you can transform static data presentations into dynamic, interactive stories that captivate your audience. With practice, these skills will become second nature, allowing you to explore even more sophisticated data visualizations in the future. Thanks for watching and happy visualizing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most of Tableau.